Okay, so this is day 1. It's 10 o'clock. Just checked in. Eating at this place called Taps.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Davao. Kakakain lang po namin sa Taps. Dapat sagot ko na yun eh. Libre ko na dapat eh.